What is gluten in baking? Have you ever wondered what makes bread chewy and cakes tender? The answer lies in a group of natural proteins called gluten. Gluten is primarily found in wheat and, to a lesser extent, in barley and rye. The two main proteins that form gluten are glutenin and gliadin. When flour containing these proteins is mixed with water, they absorb the water and bond together, creating a stretchy network known as gluten. In baking, gluten plays a key role in providing structure and texture. As you mix or knead the dough, the gluten network develops and strengthens. This elasticity allows the dough to stretch without tearing, much like a balloon. This is essential for trapping gases produced by leavening agents such as yeast or baking powder. During the fermentation or rising process, the gluten network captures carbon dioxide bubbles. This causes the dough to expand and rise. When you bake it, the heat causes the gluten proteins to harden, setting the structure of your baked goods. This is why bread and other items have that delightful chewy texture and hold their shape well. The degree of gluten development can greatly affect the final product. A strong gluten network results in chewy, sturdy baked goods like bread. On the other hand, weaker gluten development leads to tender, crumbly items like cakes and pastries. Knowing how to control gluten formation is a vital baking technique. For instance, mixing or kneading dough for a longer time develops more gluten. However, adding fats or sugars can inhibit gluten formation. Fats, often called shortening in baking, coat the flour proteins and shorten gluten strands. This results in a more tender crumb. Sugar also plays a role by attracting moisture, which leaves less water available for gluten proteins to bond. Interestingly, salt can strengthen gluten networks by interacting with the proteins, enhancing the dough's elasticity and structure. In summary, gluten is the protein network in wheat-based doughs that provides elasticity, traps gas for rising, and hardens during baking to give structure and texture. Mastering gluten development through mixing, kneading, and balancing ingredients is essential for successful baking. Understanding how gluten works will help you create a wide range of baked goods, from crusty loaves of bread to delicate pastries.